If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.
Aloha everybody. I'm doing a different type of video today. I get a lot of questions on my hair. A lot of people say, well, I have naturally curly or wavy hair like you. What do you do with it? So I'm going to tell you my tips. And also, ever since I've had the great pleasure of doing projects with the beautiful Halle Berry, man, she looks amazing and I want to have skin like her. So I started taking seriously a lot more care of my skin. I didn't do anything. I didn't even put coconut oil on my skin. And now I have a whole regime. And I actually did pictures on before and after and actually reversed some aging. So I want to tell you my tricks, but this is what I do first. So I wet my hair, all right, just got out of the shower. And I use this organic, what brand is it? It is Inner Sense. It's an organic curly hair product. And I use their shampoo and conditioner. I only shampoo about maybe once a week, if that. And then I use this volumizing foam, which is for curly hair. And I just get this going and I put this in and I put it everywhere. I'm not doing a very good job here, but I put it in everywhere. And then I usually do this at night, okay? Okay, so it's all over the place. And then what I do is I bunch it up and I put it on top of my head like this. I'm trying to look in this screen here. And I sleep in it like this overnight. And then in the morning, I take my hair out. So I just have a rubber band here. And then in the morning, I take my hair out and I have these like really great wavy curls. And I cut my own hair too. Like I'm a minimalist in all many ways. That's why I never took care of my skin. But this is how I sleep. And then in the morning, I take it out and it's like, perfect. It's really nice. But this is, so that's my hair, all right? So my skin, what I started to do is I'm using Beauty Counter stuff. And I often use this mask. It's this plumping mask. And I really, really like it. I use it like 2 or 3 times a week. And it just helps like give it some vibrance in life. But it's fun to wear a mask. And sometimes my kids want to use it. I'm like, no, it's too expensive. But my favorite thing is this all brightening vitamin C serum. It brightens your skin, it just gives it a little lift, and it helps get rid of those dark lines and circles, and it helps prevent aging because it has all these like great antioxidants in it, and it's beautiful yellow color, and you just like put it on your skin. It smells delicious too. It smells like a lemon. Oh man, it smells so good. But I have 2 bottles of these at all times because one is in my carry-on, not that I'm traveling a lot, not my carry-on, but my suitcase, I should say. I can't carry this, my carry-on is too big. But I use that all the time, all right? And I put it on my neck too, all right? And what I often do is I use this facial oil too. It's this plumping facial oil, which I really like. But I'm really into this vitamin C serum. It's just amazing, okay? And let's see, yeah, I have a couple of those, which I really like. And then when I'm just feeling dry, I just have this facial mist. It's this facial mist. It's really nice. And you can put it on top of makeup. It won't mess it up. You just like give yourself a little mist and it just helps like give a little lift to everything. I love it. And that's my favorite line of that type of stuff. When it comes to makeup, I usually rarely wear makeup. All my YouTube videos, I have no makeup on, but there's times when I have more videos coming with you know who. I'm not supposed to talk about it. But you know, Halle looks amazing. And so I want to look amazing. So I was asking a skincare professional, like, how do I not have these wrinkles like everybody else? They're like, they put cover up on. You need to put cover up. So I got some Skin Twin cover up. And that's really important when it comes to getting rid of those fine lines. I'm not going to put it on now because I'm not going anywhere. It's COVID time. I'm just hanging out. I don't want to waste it because I don't want to waste it. But yeah, I have 2 of those, 2 of my favorite things here. And let's see, oh, I do wear mascara. I should say, I never wear makeup, but I do wear mascara. I love their volumizing mascara. And what I love about Beauty Counter is there's no toxins in it. You know, they did a really interesting study about MAC makeup. And it was the CDC about MAC makeup and girls that eliminated MAC makeup for 3 days. And after 3 days, their estrogen levels plummeted by 73%. And I'll have the link in the YouTube video below because it just shocked me. And that bad estrogen. There's 3 different types of estrogen a woman can produce. The healthy estrogens from our ovaries, we want those, because I get a lot of women saying, my doctor said I need estrogen. And I was like, well, you don't want this toxic estrogen. The second estrogen is when you're pregnant. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about the third toxic estrogen that comes from environmental factors like unhealthy makeup, golf course, all the sprays that they spray on golf courses, non-organic, or I should say scented candles, you know, just the environment in general. But that's why I use this when I can. And so I just love their black mascara. It just like makes my eyes pop a little bit, you know. It just gives it a little bit of oof, you know. I don't wear much, but just a little bit to give it a little love, right? Okay. And then I do have, this is my favorite. I don't wear lipstick because I just feel like a clown when I have it on. I don't know, I just never wore it. So I love this Beyond Gloss. It's like just beautiful. And it gives it a little bit of shimmer, but I choose the natural color. I don't even know, it's called Brulee. Ooh, creme brulee. It's called Brulee. I love it. So it's just, I don't have a mirror here. It just gives it a little bit of shimmer. I just feel a little bit fancy when I have it on. And I love it. But let's see, what else do I have here? I have some eyeshadow that they have. You can see how rarely I use it, but I love the colors. It just gives it a little bit of vibrance there. And I do have some eyeliner, but I don't wear it very much unless I'm going to like some fancy restaurant, which is pretty rare right now with COVID time. I haven't left the house very much with COVID. It was my 40th birthday. Yep, this is 40, everybody. But that's what like happens when you just prioritize your skin, I guess. Oh, wait, my favorite thing. So in the winter time, it gets very, very dry here. And so I have this hydrating body lotion, which I really, really like. It's amazing. This bottle just came, so I need to open it. Yep. Hydrating in Wisconsin in the wintertime, like man, my feet get so dry. This is what I usually use like on my top part of my body, and then I go really heavy on the body cream and I use this body balm. It's called Melting Body Balm, and that's what I use on my legs and my feet. Because in Wisconsin, my feet just get really dry in the wintertime. So this is what I use on my legs, and it's really, really thick. It's like this delicious, like it feels like creamy goodness. And you put this on your legs and your feet, and it's just like super, super nice and moist. And I just feel like I got out of the spa. And it keeps my feet from cracking. In the wintertime, my feet crack and they just get gross. But that's what I use. But yeah, that's what I use. I'm kind of a minimalist. I keep only a few things, but I prize them. It makes me happy. Here I'm home a lot during COVID time. And when I get a little package from Beauty Counter, it's like, oh yay, you know, I get a little spa time to myself. And I've been wearing the lip gloss all the time because I just feel the need to be a little bit fancy here when I'm wearing sweats all the time. But anyway, that's my video. I hope you have a great rest of your week, everybody. Mahalo.
Sharing is caring. Share this video with your friends.